Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia C5 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode, so let's change it to the video by just simply sliding to the right. And here we are. Now let's move to the left side. At the bottom, when we pick this button, we can open the camera settings. Here we have to tap to more, and now when we slide a little bit down, we can find the steady shot option to stabilize our video better. By just one tap we can get access and turn it on or off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.